Today, I'm going to show you how to ma 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 microwave thing. My microwave has some instant no wait, yeah, that's light, butter, light butter, popcorn, 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 you can popcorn, you can put it in the, microwave, my microwave, for about 2 seconds, 2 minutes, and maybe press the popcorn button. So I'm going to put it in for a minute, and um, um I like my food thing, and even I don't want to burn. Okay, so here, places last okay, turn on then. Put this on. Put finger and hands. There we go. Yeah, finger again. Okay. You doing second fine? Pop it in there. Popcorn. Alright, to do. You press the popcorn button. You see? You press the popcorn button. You'll see how it pops. You watch how it pops. There we go. Watch how it pops. Pop. And see it popping? Popping the popcorn. Listen. See how it pops? Look at that. My God. Okay, my popcorn is done. Now I'm gonna throw it in a bowl. Okay. That's it. Okay. I got a bowl. like a queen bowl. And this, so we open this. Open this. Oh, it's hot. There we go. Down there. Look at that. Okay, let me taste one. Mmm, that's so good, guys. Mmm. You can snack on it. The popcorn as well.
Oh, can I have some lemonade?
Yes, go ahead.
Can you get me some?
Sure. Good.
Use the black one.
Huh. Hmm. 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 Lemonade, my favorite. So you guys think that that's how you popcorn, 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 and and microwave, microwave, my microwave. Don't forget his snack time. Snack time. When you go to bed. Bye.